Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today I will go through an revision for the chapter 1, a subject called ordering integers and decimals. I have noticed that some of you cannot answer this question from the quiz that I provided you last time. All right, so let's go quickly and see how should we answer such questions. Okay. All right, so the question in page 11, exercise 1.4b, says write each of the sets in order with the smallest first. Forget about they are asking you to put some signs like this one or this one. This is not really important. We'll go through it later. Okay, so how to solve such question, especially when I have, for example, here 0.8, 0.6, and 0.84, 0.09, 1, and 0.49. Okay, my suggestion for you, okay, go and check all the numbers, which one has the highest number of the decimals, like has many numbers, like this one has 2, this one none, 2, 2, 1, 1. So I'll make all of them to look like all of them have 2 decimal places. Okay, this one has 2 decimal places, I'll make this one to have 2 decimal places. So how to make them have 2 decimal places? You just keep adding 0 because it doesn't affect the number at all. So 0.8 is actually what? 0.80, 2 decimal places. 0.6 is actually 0.60, 2 decimal places. This one is already 2 decimal places, I don't have to add 0. This one is already 2 decimal places, I don't have to add 0. This is 1.00 and this is 0.49. Now I'll start checking the numbers, and I know for a fact, since this is the only one I have here, should be the last one. Okay, now let's check the zeros here. Which one is the lowest? Is it, forget about 0 point. Is it 80, 60, 84, 9, or 49? You'll go through it, you'll see that 0.09 should come first. Okay, and then who else? We have 09, it's gone, so this one finished. We have 49, 84, 60, and 80. 49 is the smaller here, so 0.49. Okay, so this one is gone. All right, now I have 84, 60, or 80. For sure it is 0.60, 0.60, and then 80 is lower than 84, so it's going to be 0.80, and then 0.84, and then what? The last one we have here, which is 1. Okay, so to put the sign, it is always like this. This number is smaller than this number is smaller than this number, and same goes for all. Okay, at the end, if you want to, just remove the zeros that you added. Like for example, 0.80, it is 0.8, so just remove the 0. Okay, 0.60 is 0.6, remove the 0 over here. Okay, and yeah, just those 2 numbers that you have over here. Okay, same goes with the other questions. Okay, now what is the high decimal places we have here? We have 2, 1, none, 1, 1, 2. So all of them should have what? 2 decimal places. Okay, this is to make question easier for me and not to get me confused. So this one is the same, 0.36, this is 3.60, this is 3.00, this is 6.30, and this is 0.60, and this is same 0.09. Okay, so we should know that we have 0, and then we have 3, and we have 6. So this one should be the last one. We will start with the 0. Forget about 0 point. Which one is the higher? 36, sorry, the smaller. 36 or 60 or 9, for sure is 9. So you should write 0.09 first. So this one gone. I have 60 and 36. For sure 36 is smaller, 0.36, and then 0.60. I have finished now from the zeros. Now I have 3. I have 3.60 and 3.00. Which one is smaller? 3.00, which is 3 actually. I will just write 3. And then 3.60 and then 6.30. Okay, and now just write the sign as usual because this is always the right one. Okay, this one is smaller than this one, or this one is bigger than this one. And this one smaller than this one. This one smaller than this one. This one smaller, and this one smaller than this one. Okay. All right. And same goes for question number 4. Sorry, question number 3. So how many decimal places I have here? I have none. 1, 2, 1, none, 2. So all of them should have what? 2 decimal places. 4.00, 4.40, 0.44. This one's the same. 0.40, 44.00, and 0.04. Okay, now leave the 4s alone. You know, this is 44. This is going to be the last for sure. Okay, I will just write it here because it's going to be my last number. Okay, so this is the highest one. I am done with this one. Okay, now let's talk about the zeros, because since this is the smallest number over here, so we have here 1, 2, 3. Okay, which one is smaller, 44 or 40 or 04? 04 is absolutely the smaller here. So 0.04 smaller than. We have 40 and 44. Which one should I pick? For sure, 40. It's smaller. So 0.40 smaller than 0.44, and then smaller than. We have 4.0, 4.40. That's it. So this one is smaller, 4.00, smaller than what? 4.40. And this is smaller than 44. Okay. Same goes for question number 4. Let's check what is the highest decimal places we have over here. This is none, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay, all of them should have what? 3 decimal places. So this is actually 6.000. This is 0.600. This is 6.600. This is 0.660. This is 0.060. And this is 0.066. Okay, let's forget about the numbers of which has 6 at the beginning because they should be at the last. Let's start with the zeros. We have 600, 660. We have only 60 and 66. So you know for a fact this should be first. 0.060, smaller than 66, 0.066, since it's the second smaller number. And then we have 660 and 600. I'll pick 600 since it's smaller, 0.600, lower than 0.660. Okay, lower than. Now let's go for the 6s that we have either 6 or 6.600. 6 is smaller, so it's going to be lower than 6. I will leave it alone. Lower than 6.600. Okay, that's how you answer the questions without getting you confused. Really easy, really quick. Okay, this question over here, you'll have 3.3. This is 1 decimal places, 1 decimal places, 2 decimal places, 2, 2, 3. So all of them should be 3. So 3.300, 0.300. This one 0.330, 3.330, 3.030, 0.333. Okay. All right. Now let's forget about the numbers which one starts with the 3, since it is the highest numbers. Okay. Let's talk only about the 0. We have 300, 330, and 333. Which one is smaller here? 300 is the smallest one here. 0.300 smaller than 330 or 333. For sure it's 330. and smaller than 333 and smaller than, let's talk about threes right now. 3.300 or 3.330 or 3.30. Okay, 3.30, like 0.30, it is the smallest number that we have here. Okay, because it's 300 and 30, and this is 300 and this is only 30, so 3.03. Lower than, which one is lower, 330 or 300? 300 is lower, so it is 3.300 or 3.3. Lower than the last one, we have here is 330, so 3.33. Okay, that's how we solve such questions. We need to make all the numbers have same decimal places as all numbers we have here. Okay, this is going to make the question easier for me to recognize which one is smaller, which one is higher. Okay, now what I want from you is try to redo this question as a homework, okay, and check your answers with me. You try to submit your homework today at 4 p.m. Okay, last acceptable submission going to be before 4 p.m. So that's it for today. See you next video inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.